Hey, I'm Chris Berman. Coming up on ESPN. They love their football out in Oakland. Can't tell what you'll find in the stands in the Black Hole. They'll certainly be out in force. We get set to bring you another edition of the NFL on ESPN. A very good matchup here. Washington Redskins, Oakland Raiders. Next.
The fans are finding their way to their seats, those who really own those seats, as we get set to begin this exciting game. Hi there, I'm Dan Stevens, and welcome to the Oakland Coliseum. My good buddy Peter O'Keefe is with us, and Peter, the story of this one has to be the battle at the receiver position.
Well, Dan, when you have two great receivers on the field, you know it's going to be exciting.
Number 17, he's a very gifted receiver. He has great hands, and that reliability makes him a favorite target in this offense. Warming up across the field is another tremendous football player. Number 17, he's a magnificent talent. He's clearly one of the very top receivers in the National Football League. What really impresses me about this guy is his endurance. It enables him to maintain his high level of play without drop-off during the course of the game. Well, better watch out, because both of these guys have a chance to make some big plays today.
Well, all right, Peter, we'll keep our eye on them as the game progresses, but first, the coin toss.
Tails it is.
We'll see.
Number 2, kicking off for the Raiders.
It's time.
There's the signal, and we're ready.
Football.
Number 2 kicks it, and we are underway. This will fly out of the end zone for a touchback. What a kick. The Redskins get their offense on the field and will start this drive at their own 20-yard line. Number 24 gains 5 on the play, and that will bring up second down.
With the tackle.